You have half a kilo of potatoes at home, then this recipe is for you. I will start cutting in half 500 grams of cocktail potatoes, as I do, but it should be noted that the potatoes are already well washed. Guys, this recipe we are making, it is very easy to make and is super delicious. I am sure everyone will like the result. And in this way we should stay. Now I'm going to add all the cut potatoes to a pot. And I will add enough water until they cover them completely. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to it. 2 bay leaves. The bay leaf will give it an amazing flavor. I will cover and let cook over high heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I will check if they are ready. With a fork I will polish them, and if the fork does not stick to the potatoes, then they are ready. I will turn off the heat and remove it from the pot. In a skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add a tablespoon of butter and stir until it melts. Already melted, I will add 3 crushed garlic cloves, and I will fry it a little. I assure you friends that you will like these sautéed potatoes. It is very simple and easy to make. My family loves it because they are very delicious. I already fry the garlic. I'm going to add all the potatoes I had reserved. And I'm going to spice them up by adding a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika powder, a teaspoon of oregano, and I will mix everything very well. At this moment I would like to know from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Asad Ahmed from Pakistan, also for Felvi Dakuyan from Philippines, and Valerie Zuniga from California. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Once the seasonings are well incorporated, I will add the juice of a lemon, and mix again. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love the potato, to send you a very special greeting. To finish I will add a little finely chopped parsley, and mix to incorporate it. And already our sautéed potatoes are ready. Look how delicious they have been. You cannot imagine how rich they are, but I would like you to rate this recipe, from 0 to 10, to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result.